Video will guide you how to insert proportional symbol in Word document. In the first method, you need to press the Alt key and equal sign. This is the Alt key and this is the equal button. You need to press it all together. Then equation editor box will be open up. Now type backslash and PROPTO and hit the space bar. It will instantly convert to the proportional symbol. Moreover, there is another way. You need to click on insert and click on the equations. So an equation editor box will be open up. Click on this symbols group arrow and click on the basics math, and here you need to find it, and here is a proportional symbol. Click on that to insert it. Click outside. Another way is that you need to type 221D and press Alt X all together. It will instantly convert to proportional symbol. So another way is that you need to hold down the Alt key and press 8733 on the numeric set keypad and release the Alt key. This will instantly convert proportional symbol. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.